Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Speaking Academy. In this video I am going to be explaining you how reading is very important and then how can we read English language very correctly. रीडिंग जो है कितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट है और कैसे हम इंग्लिश को करेक्टली पढ़ सकते हैं और रीडिंग में जो है क्या डिफ़िकल्टीज़ है, व्हाट आर द डिफ़िकल्टीज़ इन इंग्लिश रीडिंग स्पेशली पीपल फाइंड. So without taking much time, I think let's get started and begin the topic. So first of all, you can see here in the first image English alphabets. So there are 26 alphabets, as we know that, and then 26 alphabets, it makes 46 sounds that we always need to remember. 26 alphabets in English language make 46 sounds. Fine, this is what we need to remember. So first of all, we can see here A, V, C, D, whatever may be. So it is pronounced as A, V, C, D when we read it. When it is used in words, it is not pronounced A, V, C, D. It is pronounced the sounds of the letter. Vowel A giving sound, consonant V giving sound. What kind of sounds are being used there, that we need to see over there. Fine. So overall I just give the idea that 26 letters make 46 sounds. So out of these 26 English letters, what are there? There are 5 English vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 English vowels, and then 21 we have consonants. These 5 vowels gives 22 sounds. Only 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but it gives 22 sounds. Rest of the 21 consonants, it gives around 24 sound. So 22 plus 24 is equal to 46 sounds. That's what 26 letters make 46 sounds. What does it mean? It means one letter has 2-3 sounds. Fine. One vowel has 4-5 sounds. The same vowel is used in different way for different sounds. That is the little difficulty in reading English. When we want to read English, we find difficulty how to pronounce, how to join the consonant and vowel sounds in order to pronounce that particular word very correctly. Let's see it in details. First of all, today we will look at on the vowel sounds and why these are very important, how one vowel has 4-5 sounds, how these sounds function in the words. Okay, so first of all, vowel A, we need to remember that it has 5 sounds. What are the 5 sounds? Number 1, O. Number 2, A. Number 3, A. Number 4, A. Number 5, A. Look at here now. Vowel A giving 5 sounds. A vowel से 5 उच्चारण आते हैं, साउंड्स आते हैं. जब A कहीं पे यूज़ होता है मात्रा एज अ वॉवल, तो वो 5 तरह के साउंड्स को यूज़ करती हैं अलग अलग वर्ड्स में. कहीं पे A का साउंड ओ है, कहीं पे आ है, कहीं पे ए है, कहीं पे ए है, कहीं पे एओ है. इसीलिए रीडिंग डिफ़िकल्ट है इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोनाउंस द वर्ड्स वेरी करेक्टली. क्या यहाँ पे ए लगेगा, आ लगेगा, ए लगेगा. Fine. Now let's see it one by one. So as we have seen here, A has 5 sounds: O, A, E, O. These are the 5 sounds of vowel A. Now firstly let's look on the sound O. Vowel A giving sound O. That means we have to make words by using vowel A in that particular word where the sound comes O. Example, C-A-L-L, call. Vowel A giving sound here O. Call. Call. S-T-A-L-L, stall. S-M-A-L-L, small. Joining together. S giving consonant, so sound. M giving sound mo, so mo, lo, o, mo, lo, small. Call, stall, small. Coming sound O. V-A-L-L, ball. Coming sound O. Hope it's clear now. Vowel A giving sound O. Let's go to the next. Next, vowel A giving sound A, exact A. Now example, C-A-R, ka, a, ka, car. F-A-R, fa, far, not for. Previous also we have seen vowel A was used there, but the sound was different. Here the sound is coming different. A, C-A-R, car, F-A-R, far, fa, F-A-T-H-E-R, fa, father. Sound A. So here we can see that vowel A giving sound A. Fine. Now let's go to next. Next, vowel A giving sound A, exactly A. Example, C-A-T, cat, F-A-T, fat, T-H-A-T, that. Fine. H-A-T, hat, V-A-N-D, vent, S-T-A-N-D, stand, R-A-T, rat, M-A-D, mat, F-A-N, fan, C-A-N, can. Same vowel being used here, A, but the sound coming A. This is the significance of pronunciation. Hope it's also clear. Vowel A giving sound O, vowel A giving sound A, vowel A giving sound A. Number 3. Let's go to now next, number 4. Next, vowel A giving sound A. This is little long. Fine. The rule for this particular sound is that if after A there is used I and Y, the sound will be long sound. That means vowel A will give the long sound. This we need to remember. Example, S-A-Y, say, little long sound because after A there is Y. If there is after A Y and A, the sound will be little long of a vowel sound. Example, D-A-Y, day, A, R-A-Y, ray, little long. S-T-A-Y, stay, sound coming little long. Clay, C-L-A-Y, clay, mitti. And M-A-I-N, main, M-A-I-N, main, sound little long, A sound. So here we can see the vowel A giving sound A, exactly. Now number 5. Number 5, vowel A giving sound A. At the last there will be E, but that E will be silent. Example, dare, D-A-R-E, dare. How dare are you? आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? Dare. Now D-A-R-E, E silent in the end, A here, vowel A. Day, air, dare, dare. Share, S-H-A-R-E, air, share, share. Care, care, C-A-R-E, care. Spare, S-P-A-R-E, spare. Pair, P-A-R-E, katarana. Mare, M-A-R-E, mare. Fine. So these are the sounds of letter A, vowel A, giving 5 sounds. Very important. Why? Because when it comes in reading is found little difficult because of not having the right knowledge of how to join consonant and vowel and identify what sound vowel A is giving in this particular word. Because if we have the right idea about this, our reading will become very effective, as well our pronunciation and then spelling also will be improved by developing reading methods, something like this. Because this is the methods which is being developed from IPA, International Phonetic Alphabets. I have already made the videos on that, how 26 letters make 44 sounds. I will give the link in the description also, so that you can go and watch that particular video also. But this is, I just wanted to make this video for our online students, because most of the time it is being seen that they're finding little difficulty to read. Those who are in second class, third class, in the beginning having some problem to read the letters and read the words and read English also, they are having some difficulties. I think it's enough for today's video. Only I have discussed about the sound A, otherwise video will become little long. So rest of the videos I will try to complete all the 4 sounds which are remaining: E, I, O, U. Till that, keep watching and keep supporting our channel. Thanks a lot.